This is my husband and my son snoring at my little sister's house, and it's awesome. So here, look. That's Stan. And that's my baby, so I gotta go now.